Hey guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome to my channel. So today we have a plant haul, of course, an online shopping plant haul. This is from Hirt's Gardens, and I'm so excited to open this right now because, to be honest with you guys, I've had a really stressful day today. Don't want to get too much into it, but yeah, it's been very stressful. So I feel like this is a gift to myself, from myself, that I'm really excited to be able to just unwind and get some new plants. We have 2 boxes here from Hirt's because I'm an idiot and I placed 3 separate orders actually from Hirt's on 3 separate days. I'm hoping this is all 3 orders, but 2 orders came today, so I'm hoping this is everything because if so, they came very quickly. I just kept finding plants that I really wanted and not waiting. Like, as soon as I see a plant I really want, I'm like, oh shit, I gotta buy it because what if they sell out? So I'm like, I paid for shipping 3 times for no reason. So that's me. But I also have a plant that I got from Hirt's that I unboxed like a week ago that I haven't shared with you guys yet because I haven't done a video. I just ordered 1 plant from them, so I actually have 4 orders because, yeah, 4 separate orders, 4 separate, a few of these orders have more than 1 plant, but I'll show you the new one at the end, the one that I already unboxed because it's looking really good. All right, so I'm gonna start with this box right here. Honestly, I don't know what is in what box, so this one, they're both kind of big, but this one's like really heavy, so I don't know. All right, I already see soil everywhere. We already know Hirt's is not the best at packaging. I got a thank you card. Soil everywhere. This is what the box looks like. I'm just gonna have to vacuum. Like, there's nothing I'm gonna be able to do. Just remove some of this. Oh, I know which one this is already. Oh my god, I'm so excited. All right, let me set this down. This one I'm so excited for. I actually ordered 2 of the same plant because I just wanted it so bad, and I'm an idiot. I don't know, I'm crazy, you guys. Plants that I really like, I don't mind getting more of. Honestly, I should not have ordered 2, but they were so cheap. I think it was like $5. So I was like, that's 2 cups of coffee. I might as well do it, you know? My logic is not the best, so don't take after me. But this is an angel wing begonia. Oh, and it looks so good. Sorry, I'm like looking at it and not even showing you guys. Oh, and it has some blooms, you guys. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, I'm so happy. Look at those blooms. You see those little flowers? That means it's so happy. I have a begonia maculata and I'm obsessed with it, and I've always wanted this one, but now I have it. I actually should have 2 in here. Yeah, here's the other one. There's the second one. I don't know if you guys could tell. It looks good too. I mean, these have been really good for me and easy to take care of, so I don't know, I just love it. Oh my god, I can't believe it has little blooms. So happy about that one. I can't even remember what else I got. There's a big plant here. Oh, you guys, I know what this is. There's so much soil everywhere, so oh my god, I'm so excited. I actually watched, I don't know if you follow Plant Mama Tatiana, but she just got this plant. Somebody, her uncle, I think, actually gave it to her, or gave her cuttings, and oh my god, it's so much prettier in real life. So it is a Hoya, what is it? Hoya carnosa compacta. Oh my god, do you guys see that? It's actually like a full pot. I was not expecting this. Never seen one of these in real life. Wow, I wonder how it grows. Like, I can't wait to see it grow. I'm so excited. It looks really good. This is gonna be a good addition to my collection. So that was all in that first box. So yeah, that order I remember I placed all together. So you know what? I feel like there's gonna be another box coming because unless they put 2 in this one, we'll see. Oh, those all look so good. I'm really happy because some plants from Hirt's don't look that good, but this is what the box looks like. I'm gonna take out, oh, I know what this is. It's so funny because I'm like remembering as I look. Like, I have no idea what I'm doing with my life, so. These are big plants. No wonder the box was so heavy. So I believe this is my Regal Shield. Yeah, it should be. It's a Alocasia Regal Shield. So it's a type of like elephant ear. Let me try to open this all the way, but it looks great. Oh, and look, there's new growth right there. Wow. This is gonna be fun. I heard that this one grows well, so I'm probably gonna repot this because it's actually like in such a flimsy pot. Do you see that? Because all the soil is now, yeah, all the soil's out of it. So definitely gonna repot this one quickly. And then it's gonna be hard to get this one out with all the soil that fell onto it. Bear with me. Oh my God, this is much bigger than I thought this plant was gonna be. It's an Alocasia Black Velvet Dwarf, I think is what it's called. Or maybe it's just called Black Velvet. Wow, look at those leaves. They're gorgeous. Look at that, and they all look amazing. Hertz has gotten better because they're shipping it out quickly. So before we used to place an order and they would ship it out like a few days later, but then it would sit in the mail for some reason. I don't know what it was, like what the deal was, but I don't know if it's just because it's the holidays now that they're shipping it so fast, but I mean, this came in a few days, so they all look amazing. I think that actually was everything. And then I'll just show you the third thing that I got, the third package that I got that I ordered, like it came like a week ago. It is a philodendron micans. Isn't it beautiful? Look, some of the leaves are like super purpley. I don't know if you could tell on camera, but, and like you could see some of the stems are like red and purple. And when I got it, it was not trailing this much. So it's been doing really, really well in even just a week. And I just want to say shout out to the person who commented on my YouTube channel. I actually posted a wish list video of plants that I wanted, and this was on my wish list. And somebody commented on that video and said that Hertz gets these in stock. So literally that's why I've been stocking Hertz and like checking all the time for this particular plant. And as soon as it came in stock, I just bought it right away. I didn't even wait like to see if there was anything else that I wanted, which clearly there was. So honestly, that's why I love doing these videos, and I get to talk to you guys and you guys get to comment and give me tips and advice. And like, I would have never known, you know, I would have never gotten a micans, who knows? So I'm so happy that I'm able to do these videos and interact with you guys and get plants that I'm obsessed with. So yeah, look at these bad boys. Oh my God, I got a little angel wing begonia and a Alocasia Black Velvet. Oh, these are the best. Like, this is honestly adding to my collection plants that I've really, really wanted. So I feel like I could kind of chill out a little bit now on buying plants because these are just like breathtaking to me. Like, I'm going to work on them and repot them and make them beautiful and keep them healthy and happy, and it's gonna take, you know, my time up, so I won't be buying other plants, hopefully. Don't quote me. But yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching my video. I do want to say that I am very, very happy with this order from Hertz. Based off of this order that I got, I would definitely recommend them. I didn't actually go through and like check them for pests, so let me do that real quick because I have never gotten a pest from Hertz. So I feel like I don't really need to, but I probably should still inspect everything. Alocasias are very, very prone to spider mites. A lot of mine have went through spider mites, so I'm really good at spotting them, but there's nothing on these plants. I always get healthy plants from Hertz, and like I said, I've had this one for a while, and so I know it's clean. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below. It really, really helps out my channel. And if you are watching, please subscribe to my channel and just give me that quick hit on the subscribe and bell notification. It really helps me out. And I love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.